Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So you're enable and hide the administrator account. So how it? So first click to start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator. Then yes for access. Then this is command net user administrator active. If you this is for the enable, and if you use no, this is for disable. Okay, and then hit enter. Now you can see this command is successfully, and then close it. Then click to start and type cmd. Recover, repair some your Windows file. Then as administrator, then click to yes. Type command sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So it will start after that percentage like this, and it will take some time. Don't open any file, okay, and data, because of this is totally full scan of your system. Then one more command for the restore the health. This is this command for the check scan, and next command for restore the health. Okay, so it will complete the 100%. Then I will be enter this command, and I will give you in the description so you can check easily. Then it is completed. Next, this is scan and this is restore health. You can see, and then hit enter. Same, it will start the percentage. Sometime it will what happened, it will stop stuck. Okay, it's percentage, so no worry about it. You just select this and enter the hit enter, so it will start return. Because of when it is scanning and restoring your health, and you are clicking nearby here and open anything, so after that it will stop it like this. Then it is completed, then reset your system and then please check it. Thank you.